And welcome back to Touchline Sports. By name, I am Sfiso, and I'm alongside Karab. And today we'll be looking at the nominees for the best awards in the Betway Premiership 2025-2026 season. Karabo, thank you for taking the time to engage with us, and welcome back. Alright, let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. Let's look at coach of the season. We have three coaches, which is Miguel Cardoso, Atsalam Owadu, Kaz, and Ben Yusuf from Kaizer Chiefs. Right, Atsalam Owadu, I think they doubted him at the start of the season when he came to Orlando Pirates, but I think he redeemed himself, winning a treble this season. Kaz and Yusuf, they took Kaizer Chiefs from the 7th place, right, up until the 3rd in this Betway Premiership season. And then we have Miguel Cardoso, who had won the CAF Champions League. So out of the three coaches, which one do you think deserves a coach of the season?
So I think Coach Abdislam Wadu Keneloro deserve a coach of the season simply because of whole Bella Rafit Orlando Pirates. If it lay where team in 24-25 season, but for the Jazz position 2. So Lebella last season 25-26. Ohona realize the way lowering influence the play ya Orlando Pirates, and also the Tabayago improve some of the players. No one change the style of play in terms of whole level Orlando Pirates the whole season. Never like they were very fast. So kinto lowering we trail away we fit more than more team on Orlando Pirates. Hence over another winner the trophy winner the last season.
Who do you think will come second best between Yusuf, Kaz, and then Miguel Cardoso?
I think Miguel Cardoso, even though I feel like Athazwane Leno Tamilo are nominated, but I think Athazwane Leno deserve to be nominated simply because of the way Logoring Ohono Shomakarona le Amazulu, especially because of Uchera Mazulu in the previous season at 24-25. I feel like if it's season it will be position 4. So of which is success for Amazulu. And then Bokaze and Benin, Honolemoga Goreng, Chiefs from position 9 to position 3. Something you know, Loring, right. Yes, key improvement. So, but I think Cardoso can Loring second. I think would deserve the second position.
All right. Defender of the season, right? We have Kuli Somudao, a right back, has 20 appearances. He has made 21 appearances. Out of the 21, he has made 20 appearances, right? Has a passing rate of 91%, 8 clean sheets while he was in the field of play, and 3 shots, 1 assist at goal. Gosinatis Bise, right? 22 starts as a centre back, 16 clean sheets, 23 appearances, right? They only conceded 9 goals while he was in the field of play. And last but not least, Siema Libone. Out of the 3 defenders, which one do you think deserves defender of the season?
Before I answer this one, but Ergerso, Lebone Siema can deserve defender of the season. But Kenya Ring. Sonto ba nominate le gape le motho tswana le sebelebele because of all level la sebelebele go fitla ga Orlando Pirates go make it different huge different. Yes, re kana re check in terms of yena le Khudiso Modao because of the right back. Khudiso Modao in final third, he's not that strong. I face and down say like something maybe I offer 5 goals contribution or maybe 10 goals contribution a season. Even la scoring in terms of score and everything as much the final third that perfect marole bella motho tsona le sebelebele ke motho le ring in the final third o trail for Pirates plus or minus 7 goals in the previous season. But bella to the nominees, I think Lebone Siema deserve defender of the season, simply because of they were looking the whole season for Orlando Pirates, because of that season it was as number 4 and number 5 left and right center backs until Mbogas Sepela Bodle CBC at that defense. So I think Kena deserve, and there are 2 to 3 goals still for Orlando Pirates still akora those goals. I think Kurile goal against Suwelele my loring by end up win that game 1-0. So I think the Bonesiama Kenelo deserve a defender of the season.
Goal of the season, Cameron Danson, right? A goal from the corner, scoring against Mamelodi Sundowns. Brilliant, spectacular, right? Shooting it outside the box. And then we have Sianda Ndlovu dribbling up across golden arrows players, almost reminding us the olden days, right, where Messi played for Barcelona. And then we have Lilepo shooting it from afar, right, a long range. So out of the 3 players, which one do you think deserves the goal of the season?
This one I get to first question, Sianda Ndlovu. Why deserve, because of Gula and then Gula Lucas Ribeiro, the previous season 24-25, who correlate the same goal loring squish, especially Joseph Mara, Ribeiro Batuela from Hafunya Sundowns going to Hafunya Orlando Pirates, Lono the ability to 3 defenders. Whole level and squish would relate the same thing. So I think why deserve Sianda Ndlovu the best goal of the season. Even Lily Lepo, because of individual brilliance at the end of the day. So taking the ball, aleko lining, a bit someone else on Washington Ruby. Kenagana or Udizlena why deserve the award. But for now, I go for squish.
All right. Young player of the season, we have Relebo Khile Mufokeng, who had a brilliant season with Orlando Pirates, right? Also has been bought in Europe to show his brilliance, how good he was. Also showcasing for Bafana, right? Being put by Hugo Bruce in the squad. And then we have Slulego Mhlambi, right, from Galaxy, and Isaac Cisse for Golden Arrows. The young player of the season, right? Under 21, young player of the season. Which one do you think deserves this award?
This one I don't think it's like a discussion. I think President Amatuke Lebogele Mufukeng can we win this award. But for nothing, he deserves a Sulileko Mahlambi simply because of Olebella season Abilen Leon, especially Chess Galaxy. Yellow Chess Galaxy Retoma a season, it season with only less than 15 players. Baloring all level bench they only have 2 subs. So obviously each and every game dala the same players. And ubileli impact for Chess Galaxy. If they will be looking so I think for say Mahlambi would deserve the award because of goal contribution. I think he scored 6 goals, only 5 assists. So obviously 11 goals contribution the whole season. So for nothing why deserve, but this one but we deserve again.
I think second best would be Mahlang according to your answer, right? Now let's look at the middle fielder of this season, right? We have Oswin Apollos. Oswin Apollos has made 30 appearances in the Betway Premiership this season. He has 24 starts, which means he only had 6 of the matches which he did not play, right? 9 goals, 6 assists, 76 shots on goal, right? And 33 on target. Lebohile Mofokeng, again for Orlando Pirates, has 28 appearances, 24 starts, 10 goals, 8 assists. And then we have Tebo Khomokwene, a central defensive midfielder for Mamelodi Sundowns, right? Has 23 appearances, 18 starts to the season, and 2 assists the whole of the season. Out of the 3 players, which one do you think deserves this award?
I want this award in one of the awards where I can the very difficult, especially in terms of nominees. Because for another players beloring big Duma or Babe nominated. So and I will say it out to say, hey, this player lowering, I think he's underrated. or maybe it is because of it's not a South African, maybe by Monekaring I deserve it to be nominated. I think Motosole Marcelo Allende, for me, he's the best midfielder Kuku PSL according to Nna. Why? Because of Olebella, the way Arlo Kangaon, he's consistent. Yes, I'm going to look the previous season. I think I look at game maybe because of there was Adams. Marathon, I think he deserved to be nominated. So, but with this one, for now, I go Osina Police simply because of whole level like season it home. I really Mufukeng. Abale first half of the season is sharp. There were games still worrying he was off. There were games still worrying. I think Abunchore. Compete. So from that, I think Osina Police deserve the best midfield of the season.
And then number two,
I'll give it to Relevogele Mufukeng. I don't think Tebogo Mukwana this season or something really special. I don't think so. I know he's a very good player, but I don't think he did like something wow in the previous season.
Right. Football of the season, the same players. Osina Police, Mufukeng, and Tebogo Mukwana. Would you give maybe the same answer?
Yeah, I wanna this one. I wanna say Osina Police, but I cannot say Osina Police on this one. I think Relebogele Mufukeng, he deserves this award, player of the season. I won football of the season. Relebogele Mufukeng. This one I took already discussed. Yes, Osina Police will a good season as much as Kibulechi. At the middle field of the season, but I think go level stats are really and go level Rabo in the second half of the season he played very well. He made sure win a Pirates the game on which he was there Pirates needed the most. So I think
I think there you have it. It's not about how you start but how you finish, and that's how I conclude with this edition of Touchline Sports. Make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel. We're also on TikTok and Facebook.